Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the part where I upgrade this Axial SMT10 Max-D. I'm going to be upgrading the power and the transmission today. So we'll be starting with replacing the ESC with this Hobbywing 10BL60 brushless ESC. We'll also be replacing the Axial Brush 27 turn motor with a Hobby Star 3500 kV motor, 4-pole. Here's a look for you right there. Also going in would be aluminum transmission case. SSD steel transmission gears, extra speed steel spur gear, and it's stock 56 tooth. I'll also be using the 15 tooth pinion that comes with it. And let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to remove the drive shaft from the transmission area. You can access the drive shaft screws right there. Look at that. Running stock gears with stock power, and those transmission gears are already chewed up. Alright, so before I continue, I'm going to have to take these out and clean the bearings. Also, check out this one screw that came out of the gear right here. See how there's supposed to be 3 screws here? One actually came out and stuck to the transmission housing. And that's stock on stock power. Alright, we are going to be using these aluminum housings and putting in the SSD steel transmission gears. And this is the part number for that. Okay, we've got the aluminum transmission housing back together with the SSD steel gears inside there. So the next thing that's up is the extra speed steel spur gear. Okay, we've got the extra speed spur gear, steel spur gear installed. The next thing we're going to do is to put on the Hobby Star 3500 kV 4-pole motor. Make sure that you must not do that. It's a good mesh right there. Alright, we're now ready to put the transmission housing back on. Alright, just remember, long screws on top, short screws on bottom. Okay, so we've got the new transmission and power system mounted back up. Next thing is to put the ESC in there. Alright, 3M'd the ESC, and now we want to mount it onto the plate here. And now my switch is mounted. And that concludes part 1 of my Axial SMT10 Max-D Upgrade series. Okay, so let's do a little recap of what we just accomplished in this episode. Basically, we upgraded the transmission housing to an aluminum transmission housing. We've also upgraded the interior plastic gears to steel gears from SSD. The 56 tooth spur gear from Axial, the plastic one, was replaced with an extra speed steel spur gear. The Axial 27 turn brushed motor was replaced with a Hobby Star 4-pole brushless 3500 kV waterproof motor. I'm not sure you can see that right there. And the stock ESC was replaced with a Hobby Wing 10 BL60 brushless ESC. And that concludes step 1. Thanks for watching.